Coaching is an integral part of a thriving society, and our clients and potential clients need us now like never before. Join us for this session on Impact First, Income Follows. My name is Connie Kadansky. I'm a master certified coach, and I'm your go-to to generate revenue for your business. In this section, we will talk about strategies to get visibility in your marketplace and the mindset tweaks that are required for you to confidently promote your services. I will share some AI prompts that will help you get crystal clear on your value proposition and also the problem that you solve for your client in their words. So register now, and we will see you there.